Tomorrow's Scientist STEM Day, Pollinators, Community Engagement. On this team, we have Juliet, Cindy, Michelle, and Leslie. As an overview of our project, we work to meet the NGSS standard of developing a model that mimics the function of an animal dispersing seeds or pollinating plants. We focused on having hands-on activities for the second graders we taught. The most important part of our planning process was to do something fun with the students that also directly impacted the environment. We worked as a team to follow the NGSS standard and brainstormed hands-on experiences for the students.
We created a lesson plan focusing on pollination. Our main questions were, why do flowers need pollinators and why do pollinators need flowers?
For our first activity, we asked the students to observe some bees in petri dishes using magnifying glasses, and then we had them talk about some of the characteristics that they noticed. For our second activity, we had the students replicate the pollination process by making their own bees and pollinating their own flowers using a simulated pollen. For our third activity, we taught the students how to plant their very own milkweed seeds and how to grow them at home. To make our activities hands-on and inclusive for everyone, we provided all the materials at the beginning of the lesson, and we clearly displayed all of the instructions for the students to read.
We assessed the students' understanding of the lesson by providing an exit ticket at the end of the lesson. We asked questions relevant to the lesson to check their understanding of what they learned.
The students reacted very eagerly to the lesson and were very engaged and motivated throughout it. We are confident in teaching this lesson. However, we did hit some bumps along the road. Our strengths throughout it were creating models and hands-on activity to keep the classroom engaged. However, we could have improved upon our time management and classroom management. One of the hardest things we came across was the time management. Next time we will allocate timers to have equal time amongst our activities. We learned that good classroom management is the glue that holds everything together, especially in lessons. A big thank you from Biology Concepts 102 to all of you for listening to our presentation. Thank you.